Are you thinking about listing your home on Airbnb or Vrbo? Well, it's a great way to earn extra income, but did you know that if you don't tell your insurance company, your coverage might be void? Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how major insurance companies handle short-term rentals so you can protect your home, your guests, and your wallet. Hey everyone, I'm Tia with Trailstone, and I love using Airbnb and Vrbo when I travel. They make finding a place to stay so easy, but if you're on the other side of things and renting out your own property, you could be opening yourself up to a major insurance gap that many homeowners don't even realize exists. So a lot of people assume their standard homeowners insurance covers short-term rentals, also known as STRs, but in most cases, it doesn't. So if a guest damages your home or gets injured, your claim could be denied unless your insurer knows about the rental. So let's break it down. How do different insurance companies handle STRs? And what do you need to do to make sure you're fully covered? Well, your standard homeowners policy is designed to cover things like fire, theft, and liability, but most policies exclude business activities, including short-term rentals. So that means if a guest breaks something or suffers an injury, you could be stuck paying for it yourself. To protect yourself, you need to either, one, add an endorsement, meaning a policy add-on for STRs, or two, a separate short-term rental policy. Okay, now let's look at how each of the major insurance providers handle short-term rentals. So we'll start the list with Allstate. Allstate offers Host Advantage, which covers theft and property damage during rentals. Their policy does not cover guest injuries or liabilities, so you might need extra coverage for that. Next up is American Family. They do cover STRs for up to 62 days per year, and if you rent beyond that, you'll need additional coverage. Next is Airbnb's recommended insurer, Proper Insurance. So Proper replaces a homeowner or landlord policy with full STR coverage. They include property damage, liability, and loss of rental income. And this is really the gold standard and exactly what you need and should be looking for. All right, let's talk about CBiz Vacation Rental Insurance. Yes, it's a weird name, but they have some really nice coverages for STR. So CBiz offers custom policies for different types of rental properties, and they cover damage, liability, and lost rental income. Next is Auto Owners, and they're not so friendly towards STR. Their standard homeowners policies do not cover STRs, but they do offer rental dwelling policies, and that's mostly for long-term rentals. Next on the list is Openly. Homeowners insurance that includes home sharing and STR coverage. These policies can be customized for STR hosts, though. All right, next let's talk about AAA. So AAA's standard homeowners policies don't automatically cover STRs, and you also might need additional endorsements for rental coverage. Next is Safeco. Safeco covers long-term rentals, but not short-term rentals under a standard policy. STR hosts must ask for a specific endorsement for that coverage. And also, Travelers is not as friendly for STRs. They do not offer coverage for STRs under standard homeowners policies, but rental endorsements may be available depending on your state that you live in. Next is Nationwide. They offer homeowners policies, but those policies exclude STRs, and their landlord policies may be modified to cover STRs, but you must disclose the rentals. And Progressive, well, sometimes I don't think they're so progressive. They do not offer standard STR coverage, and they don't widely offer STR-specific policies, but they may have endorsements available in certain areas. All right, let's talk about Farmers policies. Farmers covers landlords, but primarily for long-term rentals. So STR hosts need an extra endorsement or a different policy altogether. And State Farm, make sure you disclose your STR or your claim will absolutely be denied. They do offer rental property insurance that can be customized for STRs, and also hosts must disclose rentals to get proper coverage here. Next, we have Limu Emu at Liberty Mutual. So Liberty Mutual does not offer STR coverage under standard homeowners policies, but if you're going to do it, they require additional short-term rental endorsements. Okay, so changing things up, let's talk about some real-life examples for STRs. This excerpt was from a State Farm insured customer. Michael rented out his home for a weekend. A guest slipped on the stairs and sued him for his medical expenses. His insurance company denied the claim because they didn't know he was renting. So Michael had to pay thousands out of pocket. And here's another example of one of our clients at Trailstone. Lisa did it right. She called us, got the right coverage, and when a guest accidentally started a kitchen fire, her policy covered repairs and lost rental income. She saved thousands because she planned ahead. So here's your next step. Check your insurance policy today, call your provider and ask, does my policy cover STRs? Do I need an endorsement or a separate policy? And what are my liability protections? So if you're still unsure, Trailstone Insurance can help. We'll find you the right coverage for your rental property so you can host with peace of mind. Protect your home, protect your guests, and keep that rental income stress-free. See you next time.